are waiting for it to form. Dan doesn't know what MJ stands for. I don't know either. And why does he even need to know? Who's Spice? Hey, Spice. Hi, Spice. Oh, Spice is not alive. Someone's name is Fa. We are still waiting. I think it's gonna come out dark. We're going to watch it form. Oh, it just disappeared. No. Now we have to wait till it goes down. Oh man. Well, that's too bad. There's no way I just crashed into a house. If you haven't played this game before, this is how we deploy. We like actually go to the ground. Look. What? Undeployed? Deployed. Undeployed? Deployed. See the difference? Undeployed? Deployed. There's no tornadoes forming. Let's try to make one. It's 12 a.m. Sun. It's now 1. I think 3 more hours until the sun comes up. Say we lying, bro. Say we lying. Say we lying, bro. Say we lying. Oh, what is DJ? DJ? Bro. Just said. The sun's coming up. There's no tornadoes. Deploy. See how fast they deploy? Just like kaboom. You're in the tornado? Kaboom. Perfectly fine. Say we lying, bro. Say we lying. Say we lying, bro. Say we lying. Say we lying, bro. Say we lying. Guys, please tell me, is this a natural car? I've never seen it. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. This is a nightmare crossing the boat task. This is a nightmare crossing the boat task. Did I just flip a car over? Please. Is there any tornadoes coming or what? Doesn't Pro doesn't exist in your DNA. Huh? That was rude, I think. I think that was pretty rude. Yeah, nerd. Damn, why are you guys fighting? Damn, why are you guys fighting? Tornado, here. A tornado! Why is that guy so fast? Say we're lying, bro. Say we're lying. Say we're lying, bro. Say we're lying. My car is God. I can walk on water. Say we're lying, bro. Say we're lying. Say we're lying, bro. Say we're lying. It hasn't formed yet, but it's about to. Oh! Has issued a tornado warning for Grand Nacho. This one hasn't formed yet. It's going down. Oh, that thing is big already. It's already destroying stuff. Oh, look at that thing. Oh no, we got picked up. No. Oh, we died. Get back here. Bro, look how big this tornado is. Let's see if there's a bigger tornado over here. Bro. Why? It's already as big as this one. Interceptors, how am I already losing health? Is it coming right at me? Is it coming right at me? Excuse me, is it coming right at me, huh? Oh yeah, it's coming right at me. No! Oh jeez, did I move? Am I excited? How did it pick me up? How did it pick me up? I deployed. Bro, that tornado is like an E5 or something. I don't know. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Came from here? Damn. Bro, these things used to be buildings. Bro, what did you do? 181, 182. Oh, that one's bigger. It's sucking me up. Oh, damn. Bro, I just smacked my head, bro. Like, ting. No, there's no Grand Nacho. Granito, bananito. Okay, it's fine. I'm good. I'm strong. You can't pick me. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Bro, we're so cooked. Bro, like, actually, I'm not even kidding. I can literally just do this right now. Ting. I'm not even kidding. I could just go like ting. Ting, 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 ting. Oh, it's here. It's destroying build. 7677. That's a new tornado. Say we lie, bro. Say we lie. Say we lie, bro. Ting, ting. Ting, 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 ting.
The Robloxian Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Grandacho, Lawrenceburg.
Deploy. I'm perfectly fine. I'm fine. I don't want to go in there anymore. I can drive right through it. I'm strong. I'm powerful. I am strong. I'm gonna kill you and kill you again. Well, guys, it is now time for me to end this video. So, we didn't get to see much, but... Ting, ting, ting. Goodbye. Ting, 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 ting.